Unboxing time! Hi, my name is Brian from Denmark, you're a tech friend, and this is what I love the most, unboxing of phones, and I'm just gonna share you this experience also. It's the brand new, or at least here in Denmark, brand new Motorola G84, and this Viva Magenta color, Pantone color. That means something if you're in painting, styling your house and so on. Let's take a look at the package itself. I don't know why we here in Europe get this Italian instruction on the side, because if you live in Europe, you don't all speak Italian now, do you? And then on this side, what you got? Pantone color identification is, I just want to read this. Pantone color identification is solely for artistic purposes and not intended to be used for specification. Let's take a look at the last side of it. Right here it says 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Anything else? No, nothing else. So let's do the honest unbox. Yeah, gotta get on with this. Okay, so I haven't pressed record. Perhaps pressing record on the camera itself would help. So now you only got this footage. I'm sorry for that. I'll just cover in the unboxing of itself. But now I can't return it. And I don't want to, because I bought it specifically because of the color. I just saw this color in the store and I just thought to myself, OMG, I thought to myself. Hey, wait a minute, it says something also here. Yes, this I actually want to tell you something about, and that's because Motorola are notoriously known for exaggerating the forte of a product. So now take a look at this. They will capture every detail, 50 megapixel ultra pixel camera with optical image stabilization, and that's true. And it's got an ultra vivid P OLED display, which is also true. And we gotta commend Motorola when they are keeping to the facts and not exaggerating extremely annoyingly, as they sometimes do. High-res audio stereo speakers. So just take a look at the what you get in the box first. Okay, so it's a mixture of the old-style Motorola cheap phones, the E-style type of boxes where you get basically nothing. You get the SIM card ejection tool. You get a charger. This is a 33 watt charger. So USB-A to USB-C at this end. And you get 2 leaflets. There's nothing more in the box. Nothing here also. No, nothing more in the box. It's the legal leaflet and it's the readme leaflet. Okay. So here it says something about the phone itself, and it helps you on how to put in the SIM. Let me just see. Okay, so you can use 2 SIM cards or a SIM card in an SD card. Okay, that's nice to know. Okay, but now what really matters, the phone itself. Oh my God, it actually comes with a cover. I just saw somewhere else that it hadn't a cover included, but the cover is on the phone itself. That's brilliant. Why would it say it hadn't? Okay, so I just gotta smell this.
Motorola fragrance. This fragrance has been infused into all our premium product packagings.
Okay, so this doesn't have any of the Motorola fragrances on it, I would say. This is just the smell of odd rubber. But this, what I really want to share with you is this color. This color in real life is just vivid. It's really, really Viva Magenta. It makes you want to live, okay? And the feel of this phone is just very, very good. Let's do the peeling. Okay, ready for this? Ooh, the Wow, I love peelings. It's a peeling. Okay, but let's just have a good feel for the phone here. Very nice in-hand feel. A bit squarish. It's not. It could have had some more rounded corners for an extra good feel. But this is definitely a phone that you'll get accustomed to holding in your hand and handling every day. Let's just try and turn it on. Moto logo as you know it.
Hello, Moto.
Oh yeah, and now we're running. So that is the unboxing of the Motorola G84. And oh my god, I almost forgot. Look at this. This is a 3.5mm headphone jack. That's a feature for this phone, I would say. So you got the color, you got the headphone jack, you got dual SIM, or the SIM and SD card solution, and you got that beautiful color. Wow. My name is Brian from Denmark. You're a tech fan. Please do subscribe.